Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm up in London in the Kensington and Chelsea area. I'm super proud to show you around this amazing building. So as you can see, this fantastic building includes an endless swimming pool installed by Centurion Pools. This has been really low put in the ground, so it's just above ground, and I absolutely love it. And it's a really nice idea. Done this front to back on purpose because what we also wanted for this client is to get a gym space as well. So it's an L-shaped building, absolutely maxing out the 30 square meters, and got a really good set of gym equipment here. His trainer's coming in daily. Actually, the trainer he's using is also teaching training the Chelsea women's team. So he's really got into that, swimming every day. Couple of real key points to note here. This is a flat in Kensington and Chelsea, so we've actually got the whole thing through that door. That's including the dig out from one of the companies that done that. I'll put their details on this, including the building and the endless pool. Because it's a flat, we have got planning permission, so we had to get that through, and this has got extra height, but with those bifolding doors and that pool in that corner, I mean, how beautiful is that? Wet leisure ready with the wall wash lighting at the rear. I'm sure you've seen the endless pools before, but just to clarify, that is essentially like a treadmill for swimming. So Endless Pool are an excellent brand, and you swim against that, so you don't move, the water does. Lots of different settings and speed. There's an app now that you can set your own track and course if you like. And then yes, around into the gym area. I've got the Peloton bike, absolutely fantastic. Big workouts machine, and you can see that L shape works really well. We've done that for a number of reasons. The garden was triangulating at the back, so what we've done, we've utilised that with the plant room, as you can kind of see around there, and then done the towel rail for the heating, along with the endless pool that heats the room as well. And what a great space! So 6.8 meters wide, 5.42 deep in that L-shaped design, with all the usual things you would expect from Bakers. The lighting and heating is all set up by us. We even laid the floor for the client in this one as well. But what a fantastic project! So an endless pool set that low, I really like. Bit more money because you've got to dig out a bit more space, but more soil, should I say? But once you've got through that, I really like that. I think that's a really nice balance. So hopefully this is of interest to you. Let me know your comments. Please like and subscribe to what we do. What do you think of the pool set in the ground so far? And what do you think of this building? Thank you.